Number 10, HTC. Shares of the phone maker dropped in the pre-market as the company battles Apple in court over patent disputes. At stake is the U.S. import of HTC's Android phones, which could be halted if Apple wins the court case. Dom?
Yeah, number 9, Betty, is Cisco. Shares of the communications networking company are trading higher in the pre-market after Piper Jaffray raised the company to an overweight rating, predicting that better margins and cost controls will provide an upside to its fourth quarter earnings. Josh.
Yeah, number 8 is Amgen. The pharmaceutical company has announced that it stopped trials for a pancreatic cancer study after a report concluded the drug was unlikely to succeed. Amgen's shares falling in the pre-market, Betty.
Well, Kohl's, the retailers, are number 7 stock. The department store chain beat analyst earnings estimates by 4 cents, but it cut 2012 profit forecast after quarterly sales fell. The company closed 5.5% higher for the year yesterday.
Well, number 6 is Yahoo. Newly minted CEO Marissa Mayer is shaking things up at the internet company. She is trying to focus on the products and in the integration of new platforms like social media. This is all according to the Wall Street Journal. Mayer, of course, is trying to reverse the slump in Yahoo shares. Josh?
And number 5 is Manchester United. The 134-year-old British soccer team is looking to raise over $300 million in its U.S. IPO today. That would give the entire enterprise a value of nearly $4 billion, making it twice as valuable as any other sports franchise, Betty.
And talk about shaking things up. At number 4 is Zynga. The chief operating officer of the largest Facebook game developer resigned after he was stripped of all responsibilities of the company. Zynga is trying to revive growth and boost profitability from mobile services, according to people with knowledge of the matter. Of course, their games are played on the Facebook platform. Dom?
Yeah, number 3 is banking. Standard Chartered shares of the European bank are seeing a rebound in London trading after the CEO said that the New York State regulator has, quote, no grounds for revoking the lender's license. The bank faces accusations it processed $250 billion worth of deals with Iranian banks and violated U.S. laws and sanctions against that country. Sheila.
Well, number 2 is News Corp. Rupert Murdoch's company posted a fourth quarter loss of $1.55 billion after writing down the value of its publishing assets. Now, these, of course, have been hurt by the phone hacking scandal and shrinking revenue decline. After these adjustments, though, EPS did come in at the analyst mark of 32 cents a share. Betty?
And a shakeup at the top of this company, which is our number 1, E-Trade. The brokerage announced that CEO Steven Freiberg has left the company after coming under pressure from its biggest shareholder, Citadel, headed by, of course, Ken Griffin, after catastrophic losses have driven shares down 97% since 2007. Ken Griffin is on the committee that will essentially appoint a new leader, a new CEO of E-Trade.